Hi, this is Jeevanandam. Welcome to the presentation on group discussion. Group discussion. It is a process of filtering the people into the interview. In nowadays, most of the MNC companies has recruiting their people to the right person to the right job. So they have to be checked in various dimensions of the people's knowledge. At the time, they have to be checked. One thing into the people is they have to be adopted into the group or not. For that process, they have to be conducting the group discussion. Usually, the group consisting of 3 to 8 members, they have to be meet each other face to face, and they have share their own knowledge orally as a interaction method. This is what actually the group discussion. Categories of group discussion. There are two types of categories into the group discussion. One is organizational group discussion and another one is group discussion as a part of selection process. Organizational group discussion consisting of employees sitting around and they have to be discuss what they are progress of work what they have done. The group discussions as a part of a selection process is consisting of they have a multiple knowledge and they need to discuss various things uh, at the time of an interview. This is what the categories of a group. Structure and objective of the group discussion. The group discussion can have the structure for meeting a particular persons. Usually they may be sitting into the U shape or sitting as a circle shape. They may be each other face to face and they have a eye contact and they have to be make the seat allotment. This is how the panel can be observe how they are sitting and how they are expressed for the particular information. This is what the structure and objective of a. Next, we are seeing the evaluation components. The interviewers can be selecting through the group discussion. They may be evaluate the particular content, what ability has the particular person has. At the time of a group discussion, they need to check their knowledge, communication skills, group behavior, leadership potential. Let us see one by one the communication skills. Candidate assessed the team's terms of active whether they have a active listening or not. Usually people are not listening at the time of a class session or particular person when they are speaking at the time. Usually people are not listening properly, and if we are not listening we may not be obey to the particular person. So we need to maintain the active listening at the time of a at the time of a group discussion. Then another thing they have to be checked that clarity of a thought and expression. What the people has the mind into the spontaneous at the time of a given topic, whether they have to be has the particular knowledge or not, they have to be maintained, and we need to the people want to tell the clarity of a thought and expressions, and they have to apt knowledge how we can express to the particular ideas or and their opinions. At the time they have to be check and evaluate that too. Then also people want to be maintain the appropriate body language, how they are sitting, what is the sitting posture of the particular people. By the posture itself, the people can be evaluate the mental ability of a particular person. This is what actually the body language. Into the communication skills they must be verify very first thing that the tone of the particular person, how they are telling the particular word or how they are expressed into the words. They need to check their quality and character of a voice. This is what the tone. Then another thing, that voice. When the people are raising their voice at the time, they have a sense of a truthness. That voice also, the clarity of a speech can be checked at the time of a group discussion. Then articulation, the act of a speaking or expression in an idea in words. Whether they has a particular knowledge into the particular topic, at the time they have a clarity and they have to be show their expressions into the faces. When they are having the truthness of information what they has at the time, they may be expressed that appropriately. If they are not clarifying into the topic, they are not expressing the particular thing, and also their speaking is not coming properly. The fluency into the communication skills, the fluency is very essential for speaking and writing to the people. It is what the important component they have to be checked whether has a clarity of a speech or fluency of a speech they has or not. Then another thing is modulation. We need to give appropriate spaces for the in between the words when they are talking. Based on the information and based on the thoughts, we need to space the particular spaces in between the words. That is what the thing here, the modulation. And sometimes we may raise the volume according to the expression, and sometimes we may decreases the voices at the based on the communication. That is what the thing, the modulation. Then another thing is good delivery. Whether above all the quality has the person can maintain at the time the delivery of their own ideas and opinions, they may be expressed in a fluently manner. Okay, that is what the thing, good delivery. This all the thing they can be evaluated into the communication skill. And also people have the knowledge sense at the time of speaking into the group discussion. Why? Because we may be meet a various kind of a knowledge, various kind of a people. Each people has the different mentality, each people has the different region, so maybe they may be have a different mother tongue people. So we need at the time of facing that people into the group discussion, we need to use the appropriate language in a fluency manner and accuracy manner. Then only we have to be tell our own opinion and thoughts into the directly and clearly and precisely. Then we at the time of a language known person deliver the content, they have to be behave very calm and simplicity manner or calm down manner. Then what are the body language we need to maintain at the time of a group discussion? First thing, we need to looking attentively at the speaker and nodding. What does mean that nodding? The nodding in the sense we may be show some signs through the fingers or shaking the heads. That is what the thing here, nodding. And then when we are attentively listening the speaker at the time only, we need to obey the particular time of a speaking. Then next thing is while speaking, ensuring no one is ignored and looking at everybody. We need to give a chance to each and every one of the people, those who are all participating into the group discussion. Then only we may able to work in a particular team manner. This is what the team management actually. Each and every MNC companies has to be looking that quality to the every interview persons. So we need to maintain that we do not ignore any person, and we need to give the chance to everybody of a group discussions, group. Avoiding over gestures. Sometimes people are reacting each and everything for high level. We need to avoid that. Even though if we are if we are able to have that particular knowledge into the particular topic, we no need to express for the particular thing overly. So we need to avoid that too. And avoiding pointing out fingers. We do not directly pointing out a particular teammate. If you are saying your content is very wrong and that and all, we should not say at the time of a group discussion. It is a dangerous thing into the team management work. At the time we are not point outing the fingers on particular person, so we need to avoid that. Then another thing, avoiding monotonous posture of shifting slightly in the chair and placing arm in the back of your chair. We need to sit properly into the chair. At the time we are not get rest into the chair into the group discussions. Okay, so sit properly in your chair and be comfortable, whether it is a chair, and you have to be make calm your mind, and you have to be speak into the group discussion. Not then another thing, not showing the interest and dislike in the particular topic. Even though if you are not have any idea about the topic what they have given into the group discussion, you do not show that if you are not interested, and the facial expression do not like that. So we need to make an interest what the topic will be given. At the time we need to trying to make attempt the particular idea and opinion, we need to post that one. Then, at last one, even if one does not like the topic, he should try to develop the interest in reveal interest and enthusiasm through appropriate facial expressions. I already told you, each and every region we have a different kind of a personality, and they has a different mentality. So they may be posting the particular direct questions on you to make irritate. So at the time we need to avoid them gently, and we do not show the particular calm, we do not show the anger expression into the faces. So this is what the effective body language at the time of group discussion we need to maintain. Another thing they may be evolved into the group discussion is group behavior, which means that within the team how we can mingle with each other. This may be evaluated before starting into the group discussion. Why? Because the people of interviewer can be observe the group for particular time, whether it has a whether at the time they may be give the topic, and you have a particular time for discuss into the topic. At the time they may be observe you if you are mingled with the other personality into the group discussion or not. So kind that they have to be checked, and also you have to be behave appropriately with each and every person, and you have to be make the eye contact into the group team members. Then only we may be friendly, we may be talk, and we may be tell our opinion and ideas very easily with the particular personality. So we need to behave appropriately with the another person. And another essential thing we need to maintain into the group discussion is consistency participation, which means that we may obey and we may give the chances to the others to tell their own opinion and ideas. And another one is keenness in listening and observing. First of all, we need to hear what others telling about the thing. Then after only we have to be tell our own opinion. Then another thing, time sharing and orderly conduct. Sometimes the group discussion may be start with randomly, and the people are talking in randomly, and sometimes we may start the order manner what they have sitting posture of a group discussion. So we need to give the time sharing, and we need to give the time to tell their own opinion and ideas to the each and every team members into the group discussion. Then another thing, ability to handle turbulent situations. Each and every situation is not favor to us into the group discussion. At the time, we need to maintain a gentle mannerism, and we need to tell our opinion to the others in a gentle way. So this is how we have to be handle the particular turbulent situations. Then another thing, ability to cut essentially experiment participation down to size. At the time, at the time of a group discussion, we may avoid some unwanted speech in between the team members. it does not be an argument. Actually, it is a group discussion. At the time, we need to tell our opinion only. We do not make a argument to the another participant, and the argument leads to fight. So we need to avoid that at the time of a group discussion. Then another thing, ability to dominate the proceedings without bullying others. If we do not dominate others, we some if we need, we can encourage and we may obey the others' point and others' proceedings. So it is a special quality to make as a leadership qualities. So we need to avoid to dominate others into the group discussion. Then another thing, it is a very essential into the group discussion is avoiding the personal comments. Yes, sometimes people are telling their own opinion to the directly into the group discussion. Each and every comments we should not obey at the time. So this is how we have to be tackle the problem, and we need to find a solution into the group. So this is how we have to be tackle the group discussion. So we need to avoid the personal comments into the group discussion. Another thing, the leadership skills can be test into the group discussion. When people are talking at the time, we may manage all the people, and we have to be tell the suggestions to the each and every point what the others telling. Sometimes the interviewers can ask to summary and uh, tell your final judgment into the group discussion. At the time, we need to make arrange every comment and every point what the other team members are telling. At the we have to be tell one by one, and finally we have to be tell our opinion. This is how we have to be summarize the thing. It may leads to leadership quality. That leadership quality has a unique quality. It should not become for each and every person, especially those who are all handling the every situation into the particular team. That only we have to be maintained into the leadership's quality. So we have to do that if we want. Then let us see generally what are the things we may do into the group discussion. First thing, sitting comfortably into your chair or sitting comfortably with your seat allotment. Another thing, listening the topic what they have given. Sometimes uh, we may have a different kind of a topic. At the time, we need to take whether a positive thing or a negative thing. Once we have to be turned into the positive, we have to be maintain the positive thing into the final of the group discussion. Once once we have to make the negative thing into the topic, at the time we need to maintain that negative thing till the end of the group discussion. Another thing, organizing ideas. We may give the suggestion to the other people to make mingle the multiple points of the group members' ideas. Then another thing, speaking at the earliest. So we may be initiated into the group discussion. So at the time when we are talking into the group discussion to the new people, so we may hesitate to tell our own opinion and ideas. So we may have a chance the person can take the initiator, so he has a special points to to recruiting the group discussion. Identifying the supporters or opponents. We may identify at the time of a group discussion. During the group discussion, people are telling their own components, their own ideas and opinions, maybe with our same thoughts. Or sometimes people are have the opponent, they are telling their opponent ideas and opinions. At the time, we may identify those personalities. So those who are all supporters and those who are all opponents. At that, according to that, we may talk into the group discussions. It is very effective thing. It may have a leadership quality. And another thing, we have to be keep track of time. The duration of a group discussion may be have a limited time. Sometimes the interviewers can give the regular time what the solution has to be found by the group members. So we need to keep tracking of a time. We do not take much more time to telling our own idea into the group discussion for long time. Another thing, sharing time fairly to the each and every team members into the group discussion. Another thing, maintaining the eye contact with everyone, those who are all participated into the group discussion. It may effectively we have to be show our expressions to the others. Talking notes, so taking notes. So taking notes is a very effective thing at the time of people talking. We may take the interesting comments and ideas. Sometimes we may note make a note into the particular paper with what we have with us. Aiming for summary if needed. Whether the interviewer has asked to summarize you or not, we may aiming to ready to summarize the particular group discussion. This is what the special quality to maintain into the group discussion. Sometimes it is value added point we have got into the group discussions. Then another thing, what are the don'ts we have to do, we don't want to do into the group discussions. Begin in a hurry. You do not say your points very urgently or hurry manner. Being silent till the end and beginning of the group discussion to till the end, you do not being silent. When you speak, when your turn, you have to speak. Okay. Then another thing, dominating uh, vocally or physically. This is a very essential thing we need to avoid into the group discussion. So we don't want to do the dominating the people of group discussion participants. Assuming the role of chairman, we may assume and we do not assess who is the interviewer and what they has a quality. So these are all the things it is unwanted into the group discussion. At the time you do not do that. Introducing the topic. So you do not introduce the topic again and again each and every time of your speaking turn. So we need to avoid that. Taking extreme stance. Chances may be given to each and everyone into the particular time of a group discussions. At the time, the single person cannot take a more much chances to speak and to deliver their content into the group discussion. So it is a bad mindset. So we need to avoid taking extreme stance. Looking at factually, people are when they are not opening their mouth, but they are expressed very effective or gentle manner. You do not avoid that. If you are having the topic knowledge, you have to act according to that. So we we do not looking we do not look at the faculty and we do not have the facial expressions like that. Moving excessively, we do not move from the chair's beginning and end of the chair, and we do not raising the hands. These are all the things we need to maintain. This is a sitting posture. We have to be maintained properly. Throwing all ideas to one shot. You do not tell all your ideas to the single chance of your own. You have many points. Take a chance one by one, and you have to tell one by one. Speaking fast, we need to avoid very effectively. Why? Because if you are speaking fast in a group discussion, people are not understanding what you are telling, discussing. So we do not discuss with the others. Indulging in all conversations. We do not indulge ill in ill conversations. If we are not knowing about the particular topic, we do not avoid that. We have to be what the knowledge we have according to the topic. We have to be make a conversation into the group discussion. That is what effective. paying paying attention to bulldozers. Sometimes people are make conversation as argument. We do not do that. Using slang. So at the time of speaking into the group discussion, we may use the proper slang. Appropriately, it is a communication skill. We need to maintain that one. Getting emotional. People have the different mentality. Sometimes they may post the direct bad comment on you at the time of a group discussion. We do not make getting emotional into the particular thing. Thank you very much. If you have any queries, post into the comment box. And if you have liked the video, like do like the video. And if you are not subscribed the channel, please subscribe and click the bell button. Thank you very much.